Right now what we're doing is removing these two double hung windows, and what we're going to do is install a French door. This is the main bedroom right now for the house. So the homeowner decided that they wanted a new deck in the back, but as you can see we have the windows, so we're going to remove them, frame out the entrance, then install the door. The only issue that we had is right here there was a radiator, so we just had to remove the radiator and redirect the tubes so we could have the door installed. We're just in the beginning process. I'll show you the after video once we complete it. Any questions? Give us a call for your free estimate and consultation. So call us now.